Hello, hello. How's it there? How's it there? Sandy here. Carl is on top of the hill, and Karin's on top of the hill. Finally, I've managed to kill the stump, remove it. Not completely, but remove it enough so that the second raised bed can sit there and sit at a leveled manner. So let's me show you where we at. Now we will be putting in the logs and filling it up. Let's do this. Oh, before we do it, don't forget to give me this thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment. Danny is here. Ngoba is also here. We are all here doing this with you. To those of you that have chosen to subscribe, thank you very much. And those of you who've chosen to comment, like, and share our videos, we salute you. Let's do if these logs also in here. Mm. Yeah? Wanna see if the logs can go in here? Okay, boys. Miso, what up? You wanna fall? Please mind your steps there. There we go. Log number one. Yep.
Lock number 2.
Nice. It fits. My concern is some of these guys
I want to do log
will
number
not
2.
fit
I want to
in
do
here. Hey. Boys. Let me do this. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate your help, but let me do this.
Oh, so you want to do this, and then we can help you.
Yes. Thank you, Baba, for understanding as well. I thank you very much for understanding. Not as much. This one is long. Too long.
I just hope that one will fit. Oh wait, if you no wait that end fits here.
Okay, this one doesn't fit. Have to take it back. This one.
Oh, that one break.
Yeah, it broke. It broke.
Oh, this one is a little too long. Daddy, that
Yeah,
one's a little too long.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we just have to play around with them until we find maybe some sort of like perfect match. If yeah, I'll say that way.
Whoa.
Okay, not yet completely full. Okay,
You need one more.
we need
One more?
maybe 2 more. Let me go grab the ones that we use down here. Okay, so let's find another one. Grab this one and see. Up. Here we go. Here we go. Just please be careful. You can't just run in front of me. Here we go.
Oh, it fits.
Yes, it goes in.
But there's a gap over there.
It worries me. It is a little bit higher.
There's a gap over there. You need one.
More back, please, more.
Daddy,
Yeah.
we need the big one.
Just play around with there we go. This one can sit there. And this one can come here. There we go. See?
But still
Yeah.
makes
Much better.
wonder. Okay.
Much better.
There's
See now what we do. Get my compost there. We dump it in here. It would be interesting how I'll dump it in because anyway. Get the stage.
Spade.
Yeah. It will be interesting.
Daddy, did you make the video with the other one?
Huh?
Did you make the video with the other one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hmm? Danny, go put this plastic on the rubbish bin.
Okay. You were taking a fossil just now.
Yeah.
Oh man, this was wet.
Yeah, this is because this thing has been sitting on a deep freezer, and I took it out and put it on the bucket so that it can defrost, and then I can be able to spread it here. Yeah, Danny.
I'm coming. Are you putting compost inside?
Yes, Baba.
I never.
Yeah. You never saw me put compost over here.
Ruba, come.
Yeah.
Yellow and blue
Yeah,
plastic.
you see me now. I'm
Oh.
doing it.
Drop the yellow one. Now, Mommy,
You see me now.
I'm taking off my car.
This is
What,
going
what
to
do you
be
mean you're gonna leave your car?
I
Because
expect that this will sort of like sink down, you know, in about a month or two. Food scraps. Now, because some of the stuff I'm putting in here as seeds, like the squash or butternut seeds and the pepper seeds and all that, that's why I'm going to put cardboard or brown paper all around, all over these food scraps before I put the actual compost that we would use as topsoil. So that to prevent these seeds coming up, you know, and becoming plants that I did not plant. Over time, they will break down and become part of the soil. You know, yeah, over time, they will break down and become part of the soil. So that's why I'm putting them in there, just so that they can be down here for the longest time to suppress whichever weeds might wanna, you know, sort of like not weeds, I mean seeds might wanna sort of like germinate and on. So I remove this. I have to remove these stickers because I don't need these stickers in there. There we go. paper. There you go. It might look like it's full, but firstly, this is not full at all. This is not full at all. That one there, when I put that topsoil, it looked like it was full, but I can see it already. It has subsided, and I can put another bag in there now. You know, pizza, misera, pizza. Uh, it's like it's going to rain. But this weather loves playing games. It's not fast anymore. Other time it looked like it was going to rain and I never watered my plants. My plants almost died. I was counting on the rain. The rain wasn't coming. You know. Right now, we need to put the top bang, the top soil in. So get that and put that on. Ooh, yeah, we did. Uh, ooh, what's that? There's even worms on it. What's that? These worms. I'll be happy. There's food scraps underneath the cup. Just dig a little bit underneath the cupboard in the brown paper, and you'll be happy to realize that it's food for you there. You'll be happy to find out that there's food in there. Oh, come on now, Sandy, don't kill the worm. Okay, see, one pack is in. Yeah, we're gonna put another pack. Yeah, I still have a few more in the garage. I need to also put a bag again here. Like I said, this you will see when I put this bag, it will look like it's full pack. But I've learned over the years, like this raised bed there, it was full, but now it's like almost halfway. That's how much it has subsided. But that raised bed there, I did not put logs in. So that's why. These ones won't subside all the way to halfway because they have logs. But they will still, they will still go down in a way. They will still subside in a way, you know. Um, so, yeah. Getting a call. This watch is a little bit stupid. I can't answer my calls on it. Okay, let's deal with. Right, guys, as you can see, look at this. Filled up to the brim. It looks it's filled up to the brim, but trust me, should it rain today, that by the next morning would have subsided just slightly. And over the time, it will subside slightly, as you see on this one. That one, when I last filled it, it was exactly like that one. And so, but it has subsided just a little. So I'll be filling that one up as well. And I'll be filling this one up. But the main thing is that the 2 raised beds that we've made have come up nicely, and here they are ready to be planted on. I hope that you enjoyed the process, you learned something from the process, and that you can also replicate this at your own space. There's logs in there. There's my own compost that I create here in the yard. There it is behind. If you look over my shoulder, okay, anyway, yeah, can't get it right. Yeah, there, next to the wheelbarrow there, yeah, and yeah. So, otherwise, Sunday there, Carl is on top of the hill, and Karin's on top of the hill. I am out. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on the videos. That's highly appreciated. I love it when you do that. From the bottom of my heart, I thank all those that have subscribed, that comment, that like, that engage with the videos. I'm out. And the boys are out as well. They are busy partying right now, so they can't say it themselves. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel.